package in from our fine folks at Guangzhou, wherever they make those. Compensating feet. Set, left and right. I also picked up a set from another company in that region. Both of these are from the same company. Okay. You can tell one came out of like the good bin and one came out of the fucking shit bin. This one feels like a machine part. This looks like a copy. It needs some finishing work, essentially. Wonder what that is. Yeah, man. I mean, they both have manufacturing imperfections, like casting marks, yeah. So it's not like fully machined, but that's sort of weird. We'll find out. We'll find out what actually performs and what doesn't. This one gave me a little laugh. Somebody was not seeing straight that day. Thank you. Kind enough to sign their initials.